Hey guys, Mitch from iMove Physio Panania here to give you my top 3 tips for that really disgusting lower back pain. Now, this is from a physio perspective as well as my personal perspective of what I do when my back plays up really bad and what I get my patients to do. So the first one is don't rest, all right? Try and keep a normal routine as much as you possibly can. If you normally go to the gym 3 days a week, go to the gym 3 days a week. Do what you possibly can in the gym that doesn't feel like you're hurting your lower back, okay? So if you can go in and do some upper body stuff or some lunges or some quarter squats, treadmill, bike, whatever you possibly can, go in and do it, okay? You'll get much more benefit out of doing that than going into bed and just laying down and sitting down all day where your back's gonna get stiff and tight and sore, okay? So try and keep your movement and your routine as normal as you possibly can. The second one is try and breathe. Now, when your back is really sore, what can happen is we can get really scared about it, and that's normal, right? You can get really worried. You're like, oh, my back hurts. Oh, no, can't go down. I feel like my back's gonna go. Try and slow down your movement. When you feel like your back is getting sore or tight, try and breathe. Take some really deep breaths and try and build all that air in your stomach and the bottom of your ribs. Try not to breathe through your chest too much because that can actually make you feel a little bit more anxious and make that pain pathway a little bit stronger. So breathe and relax, take some really deep breaths, fill the bottom of your ribs and your stomach with all that air, and breathe in and out through your nose, okay? That'll really help dull down that pain intensity and might even help you move a little bit further. The third one is find a movement that feels like it's helping your lower back. So for some people, bending down and touching the toes feels like they're stretching their back out. Great, go for it. Do it as much as you possibly can. Bend down, touch your toes throughout the day. When you're laying in bed, hug your knees to your chest. When you're sitting in a chair at work, reach down to the floor, fantastic. For some people, that's where it hurts. So go the other way. Bend backwards, lay on your stomach and lift your chest up as high as you can. Stand up, push it, hips forward and look up to the sky. Might even be just twisting, laying on your back and twisting your legs side to side. Do each movement nice and slow and controlled and find one that really feels like it's stretching out your lower back and do it as much as you can and make sure you're breathing while you do it. This will really help with the movement, make it feel like it's not so stiff and so sore, and will get that back moving a little bit more normal again. I hope these 3 tips help, guys. Have a great one.